Okay, so this is the inspection time. Whenever we come out of market, we bring something. Bunny and Tia needs to inspect everything. They will smell, they will try to touch. We don't allow them to touch everything. And no, this is not their favorite. And look, the beauty queen. Tia, how are you? Want to say hi to our audience? Okay. Check whether these are organic or not. Okay. Wow. Can you guys see? They're so curious. All the time. What do we got? Tia and Bunny? Do you think these are good? So Walmart sells good product? That's good. Bunny?